This week we're going to talk about interjections. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses emotions or feelings, gives a command, or fills a silence. Here are some common examples of interjections. Oh, wow, ouch, geez, gosh, alas, yes, no, yuck, ugh, ha, hey, gee, hooray, hey, oops, well, aha, yum, cheerio, hooray, good grief, uh-oh, boo-hoo, yow, zap, and on it goes. When we use interjections, sometimes we use an exclamation point and sometimes we use a comma. When we use an exclamation point, we're always showing strong feeling. Look at the following sentence. Ouch! I hurt my big toe. Notice that we use an exclamation mark to show strong feeling. Look at the picture of our friend here and his toe and how he feels about his toe being hurt. We use a comma to show not as strong feeling. As we look at our sentence, it's the same. Ouch, I hurt my big toe, but the feeling is not as strong. So we put a comma there. You notice our friend here, he's just kind of sitting, look at his toe. There's not as much strong feeling associated with it, so we use a comma instead.